Hare Krishna. I am Parishuram here. We will go for fourth class in Karuna Sandhi. ಮಲಗಿ ಪರಮಾದರದಿ ಪಾಡಲು ಕುಳಿತು ಕೇಳುವ ಕುಳಿತು ಪಾಡಲು ನಿಲುವ ನಿಂತರೆ ನಲಿವ ನಲಿದರೆ ಒಲಿವೆ ನಿಮಗೆಂಬ ಸುಲಭನೋ ಹರಿ ತನ್ನವರ ನರಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟಗಲನು ರಮ ಧವನೊಲಿಸಲರಿಯದೆ ಪಾಮರರು ಬಳಲುವರು ಭವದೊಳಗೆ. A Haribhakta, devotee, sevaka, dasa, while in sleeping position, sleeping on the bed, in shavasana, etc., if he remembers, sings the glory of Lord Almighty with pure mind, pure heart, with dedication, the Lord will come near to him and will sit near to him. The Lord will listen to the chantings of his names, Nama, glory, with great interest and happiness. This is Malagi Paramadaradi Padalu Kuditu Keluva. Bhishmacharya, while on Sharapanjara, praised the Lord. Lord appeared before him. If a devotee sings the Lord's blissful attributes, mahimas, kindness towards the sattvika souls by sitting position, then also the Lord will come near to his devotee. The Lord will stand by the side of the devotee and again listens his prayers with a lot of affection. Kulitu Padalu Niluva Pundarika Muni. He was serving his parents. During that time, Lord has came to meet him. Pundarinka was sitting, Lord was standing. If a devotee prays the Lord, sings a song of Lord's Mahima, greatness, by standing, the Lord will also come near to him. Here the Lord will dance around his devotee with more joy. Nintare naliva, example of Prahlada. Lord danced with Prahlada. A devotee dancing and singing the supreme God's incarnations, Mahimas, greatness, etc. There is a surprise. The Lord will appear before the devotee. He will provide his holy darshana. In total, the devotee will see the Lord with his eyes wonderfully. Nalidare valive nimegemba. Examples of Narada. Narada will be singing the Lord's glories by dance, making dance. Nrutya. Haridasas also in that class. Always they will perform nrutya in the service of Lord. The Supreme Lord is reachable to everyone. And for one to reach the Lord is very easy. Lord's abode is near to us, but conditions apply. It is only for his real devotees, bhaktas, haridasas. Sulabano hari, tannavaran aragalege bittagalanu. The Supreme Lord is very easily available to his real devotees. The Lord will not leave his devotees even a fraction of a second. An ordinary person who is deeply immersed in worldly affair will not at all get the Lord, and the person will be moving in the samsara, the world. He will not come out of the cycles of birth and death because he is not remembering the Lord at all. Remembering the God and meditating, dhyana, the God, are two best known paths of upasana, service to the God. That is to stay near to the Almighty. Remembering the God is called as Smarane. Smarane of the Lord should be at all the time, any place, everywhere. God is there. Like that, at all the time, we have to do remembering the God, Smarane. Dhyana, the meditation will be done with prescribed sitting postures. Dhyana is the next step. Dhyana is the seventh step in Ashtanga Yoga as well. ಮನದೊಳಗೆ ತಾನಿದ್ದು ಮನವೆಂದೆನಿಸಿ ಕೊಂಬನು ಮನದ ವೃತ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸರಸಿ ಭೋಗಗಳ ನೀವನು ತ್ರಿವಿಧ ಚೇತನಕ್ಕೆ ಮನವನಿತ್ತರೆ ತನ್ನ ನೀವನು ತನುವ ದಂಡಿಸಿ ದಿನ ಸಾಧನವ ಮಾಳ್ಪರಿಗಿತ್ತಪನು ಸ್ವರ್ಗಾದಿ ಭೋಗಗಳೇ. Lord Srihari will be in the minds of all the souls. Being in the minds of all the souls, he will be called as Mana, Manasu. Souls are infinite in nature. All the souls are divided into main three categories based on their internal intrinsic characters, inherent intrinsic characters. They are Satvika, Rajasa, and Tamo souls. Their activities, deeds, karmas, thinkings will be also of three different streams. The Lord will provide them energy to fulfill their respective activities. Lord will not show any partiality, He will not interfere. The Lord allows each soul to grow on its own with their deeds. He allows them to gain knowledge based on their original structure of mind and intellect. This is complicated process of the world in connection to souls in which many Tattvabhimani Devatas are also involved by the order of Sri Hari. The final outcome for the deeds of above three mentioned souls will be in three different ways. Dasaru will mention a special category of souls. Of course, these are covered in Satvika class. Manavanittare Tanna Nivanam. A devotee, Haribhakta, Haridasa, who will be always involving his mind, activities, etc., concentrating the lotus feet of Sri Hari. His mind will be always connected to the Lord. For such Haridasaru devotees, Lord Sri Hari assures that He Himself will be with them at all the time. Some category of people, souls, will be doing their duties without any evil mind. They will perform penance, vrata, yaga, dana, dharma, etc. They will control their indriyas, will be ready to encounter, face difficulties for a materialistic cause. For them, Supreme God would grant, bestow happiness and joy throughout their life. They will enjoy in the world and even in the heavens as well, but they will not be granted salvation, the moksha, because they have not given their mind to Him at all. They have not submitted their deeds to Him. They have not spelt Sri Krishnarpanamastu after every deed. So it is very essential to submit every deeds to the Lord by having in mind the Lord's greatness. It is to inform that the mind mana is a collection of 5 planes. It is called as a Manopanchakas. Manopanchakas are created during Panchikarana by the Akasha Tattva being made with its mix with other bhutas in parts. The Manopanchakas are Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara and Antakarana. This is initiation of Bharatiya Haridas Sahitya Vidyalaya. We are in service of mankind for the last 25 years. We can now listen to Karuna Sandhi by pressing the link provided in the description. Thank you. Hare Srinivasa.